When night is falling and fear is coming, still you're calling me. When night is lost and... Hey guys, it's Eric Roberts from Worship the King, and I am showing you that today. The tab is free. It's a free download, so get it in the description. Also, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the video, and click the bell. Do all of those awesome things, but how do you do that? That's what you're here for. It's what you want to know. And I love this lick because it is very simple to do, but it makes you sound awesome. So it requires a little effort, but not a lot, and it's super awesome. Listen to it. So that's it. That's how we're going to do it, and we're going to slow it down. You're going to go like this on the 4th fret capo, so you can follow along. But you're going to go like on the 4th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the 4th fret on the G string, and put your 3rd finger there. Okay, so it's here. And you're going to go like this. So you pluck down one time and pull off. And that's it. You do that on each string as you go up. Hit the top note 3, and then to the A chord, and then you're in. So it goes. When night is falling and fear is coming, still you're calling me to. So it requires you just to play down one note on each string. So pluck down, hammer on, or pull off. It's all pull offs. Pluck down. Easy, do it again. And then 3. And then A chord. So you have it. There it is. Guys, you can do some really cool stuff like that. So to get it up to speed, just go. Okay, and then do it again. Till you get it. Notice how my right hand is going. Down, 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 down. That's the picking. Down there, down there, down there, down. And then you just pull off. Now, how to do a pull off, it's a lot harder to do a pull off than it sounds. It's on an acoustic. You got to have some tough fingers. Okay, so this is an intermediate to advanced lick, and it sounds like that. It also sounds good, but it's not like a super hard lick where you got to do all this crazy stuff all over the neck, but it does require some pull off strength. So when you pull off, remember you have your thumb over here. I'm going to show you little techniques. Thumb over there. You just pull off. You kind of pull down. You kind of pull down so you can hear the next string. And then pull off. You kind of pull down. And I'm kind of pulling down. Pull down and off. If you just pull off, then you get that. You don't get enough. So you're kind of like plucking this. You're kind of like, I don't know how to explain it, but when you pull down and you pull off like that, you're kind of pulling your finger. Pull your finger like in a down motion until it slips off the string, and then the string goes doing. Kind of, that's why it makes the sound. And it goes. Now, if you want to and you're good at picking, you do the same lick by picking. It's a lot harder. And it's hard to get that fast too. Now you're only picking, when you do it that fast, you're only picking down one time on each string, and that's how you can get it so fast. When night is fall, but you don't need to go that fast. That's too fast. So you need to go with the tempo of the song. When night is falling. So 1, 2, 3. It's actually 1, 2. 1, 2. Night is falling. So that is the lick, the pull-off lick. Make sure you get that in the video and learn your pull-offs. If you need to know foundational things like how to do pull-offs, hammer-ons, the electric guitar courses up there, all this is in Worship the King Gold, and I invite you and now your entire church to join Gold at worshiptheking.com. God bless you guys. I'm glad you stuck around for this. Get the charts and just kind of dream towards doing this and sounding good. I believe in you guys.